Welcome to Wonder Garden, where we share natural, effective, and cost-saving orchid care tips. In today's video, I'll share with you a completely natural organic fertilizer recipe made from common kitchen ingredients, safe, gentle, and easy to prepare at home. This is a method I've been using for many years, and the results have truly been satisfying. Orchid roots grow strong and anchor firmly to the substrate. Leaves become thick, glossy, and full of vitality. New flower spikes start to elongate, buds appear evenly, and blooms open beautifully with vibrant colors that last long, even flowering consecutively across multiple seasons. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any valuable organic orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. For today's formula, I need to prepare 500 milliliters of hot water. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I will use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder contains many natural antibacterial compounds, especially curcumin, which helps heal wounds, reduce fungal diseases, and support the plant's recovery after pruning or being moved to a new growing environment. I will stir 1 spoon of turmeric powder into 500 milliliters of hot water. The hot water helps the nutrients in the turmeric powder dissolve completely, creating a gentle golden solution that is perfect for disinfecting and stimulating new root growth. Finally, I will cover the container and let the mixture steep until the water cools completely. By then, all the nutrients from the turmeric powder will have been fully released into the water. Do you usually rinse your rice before cooking? Every time we rinse rice, we often pour away that cloudy white water without thinking. But what you may not know is that rice rinse water is actually extremely beneficial for your indoor plants. Rice rinse water contains a high amount of B group vitamins, plant proteins, and natural minerals, all of which help plants recover quickly, stimulate new root growth, and make the leaves greener day by day. I will let the rice powder settle at the bottom before using it. Once the powder has completely settled, the water on top will become clearer and contain just the right amount of nutrients, making it very safe for the plants. While waiting for the rice powder to completely settle, I'll take the time to pre-water the plant. This is a small step, but it plays a very important role in the care process. Pre-watering helps the entire growing medium become gently moistened, like you're waking up the roots after a long period of dryness. When lightly hydrated like this, the root tips become softer, more flexible, and ready to absorb nutrients in the most natural way. At the same time, the water helps wash away any residue, accumulated mineral salts, or harmful microorganisms that may still be clinging to the growing medium. This makes the environment around the roots more open and cleaner, creating ideal conditions for the plant to enter its recovery phase. Once the turmeric water has completely cooled, I will filter out the undissolved turmeric powder, keeping only the pure turmeric water. This is the part that contains the most nutrients, helping with antibacterial and antifungal protection, and supporting the plant's recovery very effectively. I will combine the turmeric water and the rice rinse water to create a completely natural plant nutrient solution. Next, I will pour off the settled rice rinse water, taking only the clear layer on top. By letting it settle, the heavier starch sinks to the bottom, while the clear water above is full of B vitamins, minerals, and plant proteins, gentle yet extremely beneficial nutrients for indoor plants. To prevent the plant from fertilizer shock, I will further dilute the solution with 1 liter of clean water. This dilution is very important. Method 1. When the plant has been pre-watered and the growing medium around the roots has reached the ideal moisture level, this is the best time for the plant to start absorbing nutrients. At this point, the roots are awake, softer, and the root cells are open and ready to take in the best components from the solution. Now, I will water the base of the plant with the diluted solution. When watering, pour slowly around the base, avoiding a strong flow that could damage the roots or compact the growing medium. The turmeric water in the solution will help disinfect and clean fungal pathogens around the roots, protecting the plant from harmful microorganisms. Meanwhile, the rice rinse water provides B vitamins, plant proteins, and gentle minerals, helping the roots recover faster, restore energy, and develop healthy new white roots. When you water the solution after the plant has been pre-moistened, it will absorb nutrients faster, more deeply, and more safely, completely minimizing the risk of fertilizer shock. This is one of the gentle care methods that delivers very noticeable results if maintained regularly. Method 2. Next, I will pour the nutrient solution into a specialized spray bottle. Using a spray bottle helps disperse the nutrients into fine mist droplets, allowing them to evenly coat the entire surface of the leaves. Then, spray evenly over the entire orchid, from the top and underside of the leaves to the stem and the surrounding growing medium. The turmeric water in the solution helps clean the leaf surface, provides mild antibacterial protection, and reduces mold growth. Meanwhile, the rice rinse water delivers B vitamins and natural minerals to nourish the leaves, gradually making them darker green, glossy, and thicker over time. Misting like this not only provides quick hydration, but also creates a thin layer of nutrients covering the entire canopy, supporting stronger photosynthesis, especially for orchids that are recovering or preparing for a new growth season. You should pay attention to misting in the early morning or late afternoon, when the sunlight isn't too harsh and the ambient temperature is cool. Spraying at this time helps the leaves absorb nutrients to the fullest, minimizes rapid evaporation of the solution, and prevents heat shock or sunburn on the leaves. At the same time, it is also the optimal time for the plant to photosynthesize effectively, allowing the nutrients from the rice rinse water and turmeric powder to work at their best, keeping the leaves glossy, healthy, and promoting the growth of new roots. Remember to maintain a regular misting schedule, combined with watering at the base, to help your orchid recover quickly and grow sustainably. Method 3. About 20 minutes after you've sprayed the nutrient solution evenly over the entire orchid, carefully check the leaf surfaces and leaf axils for any remaining water droplets. If there are still water droplets, you should immediately use a soft cloth or cotton to gently wipe all the leaves. This is very important to prevent standing water on the leaves, which can lead to mold or bacterial growth and negatively affect the plant's health. This is also one of the main causes of stem rot and yellowing leaves in orchids. Additionally, this step helps the fertilizer distribute more evenly and penetrate deeper into the leaves, ensuring that every leaf and leaf axil receives sufficient nutrients. By doing it carefully and consistently, you not only prevent issues like mold or bacterial growth, but also promote stronger, healthier leaves. Over time, your orchid will recover fully with glossy, vibrant green foliage and will be well prepared for the development of new roots and the beautiful flowering stages to come. Besides applying it to Phalaenopsis orchids, this solution along with the watering and misting methods is also perfectly suitable for other types of orchids or ornamental plants, such as anthuriums, lilies, and more. The natural nutrients from turmeric powder and rice rinse water are gentle yet extremely effective. They help stimulate new root growth, nourish leaves to become glossy, thick, and healthy, while also boosting the plant's natural resistance. Whether it's orchids or other ornamental plants, they receive nutrients gradually, safely, and without causing shock. You can confidently apply this method regularly to many types of plants in your home or garden. When cared for properly, you'll see all your plants recover well, with lush green leaves, strong stems, and ready for vibrant, healthy blooms in the coming season. This is a method that is not only simple and economical, but also delivers long-lasting and sustainable results for your entire garden. Results after 3 months. You can see that my orchids have turned lush and green again, with sturdy, glossy, and vibrant leaves. The root system has also grown stronger, firmer, and healthier than before. For those stubborn orchids that hadn't bloomed for a long time, new flower buds have now begun to appear, fresh and healthy. This proves that the natural solution method, combined with root watering and misting, not only helps plants recover, but also stimulates them to bloom on schedule, even if they were previously weak or reluctant to grow. With consistent care and proper application of this method, you will see all the orchids in your garden recover, thrive, and prepare for a spectacular flowering season. Now, let's enjoy the blooming flowers in the garden, all nurtured entirely with natural organic fertilizer. Each vibrant, radiant flower is the result of patience and love for the plants. What do you think about this plant? Care formula. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'm eager to read and discuss them with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so you won't miss the next videos on natural, safe, and effective plant care. See you in the next green journey at Wonder Garden.